hope that nothing would be missed. But these traditional methods had significant limitations. Guards, no matter how dedicated, could only be in one place at a time. Their attention could waver, and fatigue would inevitably set in during long shifts. Cameras, meanwhile, were passive observers, fixed in place, unable to adapt or respond to changing situations. They could only capture what happened directly in front of their lenses, leaving blind spots and vulnerabilities throughout even the most carefully monitored spaces. Covering vast areas, such as sprawling factories, parking lots, or public venues, was a daunting challenge. No matter how many cameras were installed, there were always gaps, places where incidents could unfold unseen. The sheer scale of these environments made comprehensive surveillance nearly impossible, and security teams were often stretched thin, forced to prioritize certain zones over others. Compounding the problem was the overwhelming volume of footage generated by thousands of cameras. Every hour, tapes and digital files piled up, creating a mountain of data that was nearly impossible to review in real time. Security personnel would sit in front of walls of monitors, their eyes darting from screen to screen, hoping to catch a critical moment before it slipped by unnoticed. As a result, incidents could go undetected for hours or even days. By the time someone noticed something amiss, it was often too late to intervene or prevent further harm. The delay in response not only hindered investigations, but also left people and property vulnerable. Traditional surveillance was not only slow and reactive, but also expensive. Maintaining large teams of guards, managing outdated equipment, and sifting through endless footage drained resources and morale. Human error, fatigue, and the limitations of analog systems meant that security was always playing catch-up, never quite able to stay ahead of threats. It became clear that a smarter, more proactive approach was needed, one that could anticipate incidents before they happened, rather than simply documenting them after the fact. Security experts and innovators began to imagine a future where technology could augment human abilities, providing real-time insights and rapid responses. Visionaries in the field started to design systems that could analyze patterns, detect anomalies, and even predict potential threats. The goal was to move beyond passive observation and create a network of intelligent surveillance tools that could actively protect people and places. The old ways of surveillance, once cutting edge, had reached their limits. Outdated cameras and analog systems were no match for the evolving challenges of modern security. It was time to leave behind the era of static observation and embrace a new paradigm. The next chapter in surveillance would take to the skies, harnessing the power of drones and advanced analytics. These new tools promise to cover more ground, respond faster, and adapt to changing situations in ways that were once unimaginable. This was the dawn of intelligent surveillance, an era where technology and human expertise would work hand in hand. No longer confined to science fiction, these innovations were poised to transform how we protect our communities and critical infrastructure. With real-time data, high-definition imagery, and smart algorithms, this new approach offered unprecedented situational awareness. Security teams could now monitor vast areas from a single command center, responding instantly to emerging threats and ensuring a safer environment for all. The future of surveillance was no longer grounded, it was ready to soar, ushering in a new era of safety, innovation, and peace of mind. Enter the AI-powered drone, a true game-changer in the world of surveillance and monitoring. These advanced flying machines are not just another step in drone technology. They represent a leap into the future, where machines can think, learn, and act with remarkable independence. Unlike regular drones, which rely heavily on remote control and preset instructions, AI-powered drones are equipped with a sophisticated artificial intelligence, brain. This onboard computer allows them to process information, analyze their surroundings, and make decisions in real time. These drones don't need constant human guidance. Instead, they can operate on their own, adapting to changing conditions and unexpected obstacles. It's as if they have a mind of their own, capable of independent thought and action. AI-powered drones can understand complex missions, navigate through challenging environments, and make split-second decisions. Whether it's weaving through a dense forest or flying over a bustling city, they know how to get the job done efficiently and safely. Think of them like highly trained search dogs, but with the added advantage of flight and advanced sensors. They can adapt to new challenges on the fly, whether it's searching for survivors after a disaster or monitoring a remote area for unusual activity. You can assign them tasks such as patrolling a perimeter, inspecting infrastructure, or spotting anomalies in real time. Their ability to analyze data instantly means they can detect issues before they become major problems. When they spot something unusual, they immediately alert human operators, sending images, videos, or even live feeds. This rapid communication ensures that critical information reaches the right people without delay. Because these drones can handle routine monitoring and data collection on their own, human teams are freed up to focus on more complex, strategic, or urgent tasks. This shift boosts efficiency and safety across many industries. AI-powered drones are not just flying cameras, they are intelligent mobile agents. They can work together in coordinated swarms, sharing information and covering vast areas much faster than any human team could. In agriculture, disaster response, or city surveillance, these swarms can scan huge regions, collect massive amounts of data, and respond to events as they happen. They follow complex paths, avoid obstacles, and track moving objects, all without direct human input. Their advanced sensors and algorithms allow them to react instantly to changes in their environment. This level of autonomy and intelligence is revolutionizing the field of surveillance, pushing the boundaries of what technology can achieve, and opening up new possibilities for safety, security, and efficiency. AI-powered drones truly represent a leap forward in intelligent observation, blending cutting-edge technology with real-world problem-solving to create a new era of aerial surveillance. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way drones operate, making them far more than just remote-controlled flying machines. Today's AI-powered drones are capable of learning and adapting, much like humans do, through a process called machine learning. This means that instead of simply following pre-programmed instructions, these drones can actually improve their performance over time by learning from experience and data. Behind the scenes, teams of engineers and data scientists work tirelessly to train these drones. They feed the AI systems with enormous amounts of image and video data, often collected from real-world environments. This data might include everything from city streets and forests to industrial sites and disaster zones, giving the AI a broad understanding of the world it will encounter. For example, imagine a drone searching for a lost hiker in a dense forest. The AI has already studied thousands of outdoor images and videos, learning to recognize subtle differences in terrain, vegetation, and human shapes. This training allows the drone to quickly scan vast areas and spot clues that a human operator might miss. The AI's ability to discern patterns is remarkable. It can distinguish between a person and a shadow, or between a human and an animal, even in challenging lighting or weather conditions. This pattern recognition is at the heart of what makes AI drones so effective in real-world scenarios. As the AI is exposed to more data, its accuracy and intelligence steadily improve. Engineers monitor its progress using advanced dashboards, tracking how well the drone can identify objects, people, or potential hazards. Each round of training makes the AI smarter and more reliable. Beyond just recognizing objects, AI can also interpret actions. It can tell the difference between someone walking casually and someone running in a suspicious manner, or even detect unusual behavior that might indicate a problem. This level of understanding is crucial for applications like security, search and rescue, and disaster response. Once the AI has been thoroughly trained and tested, it's loaded onto the drone's onboard computer. This process transforms the drone from a simple flying camera into a smart, autonomous machine capable of making decisions on its own. As the drone flies, it continuously analyzes live video feeds, searching for specific patterns or anomalies, like cracks in a bridge, signs of fire, or missing persons. The AI can instantly flag anything unusual, allowing for rapid response and intervention. This real-time analysis is what truly sets AI drones apart from older analog systems. Instead of relying on human operators to interpret every image, the drone itself can process information and make split-second decisions, dramatically increasing efficiency and safety. AI-powered drones can think while flying, adjusting their path, speed, and focus based on what they see. They can avoid obstacles, track moving targets, and respond immediately to changing situations, all without waiting for human input. In essence, AI drones are vigilant observers, constantly scanning their environment and understanding the significance of what they see. They don't just record footage, they interpret it, providing valuable insights in real time. The AI brain inside each drone gives it a sense of purpose and power, enabling it to tackle complex tasks that would be impossible for traditional drones. With this intelligence, drones are transformed into proactive surveillance tools. capable of not just observing, but understanding and acting on what they find, making our world safer, smarter, and more connected than ever before. Cities are complex, and AI drones are vital for urban surveillance. At large events, drones provide a comprehensive view from above. They assist in crowd management, spotting potential issues early. Drones arrive faster than patrol cars, offering crucial information. They track suspects and monitor infrastructure autonomously. AI drones enhance city safety and efficiency. They're indispensable in modern urban security. Borders are vast and challenging to monitor. AI drones offer constant, tireless surveillance over large areas. They fly preset routes, equipped with advanced sensors. AI distinguishes normal from suspicious activity, flagging concerns. Drones provide real-time intelligence, aiding border patrols. They enhance agent safety and assist in search and rescue. AI drones transform border security, offering unprecedented coverage. They ensure safety and efficiency in challenging environments. This technology redefines how we secure national borders. In disasters, AI drones are first responders in the sky. They map affected areas quickly, aiding rescue efforts. AI systems search for survivors, using thermal cameras. Drones deliver supplies and monitor ongoing dangers. They provide clarity and speed in chaotic situations. AI drones are instruments of hope in crises. They enhance disaster response and recovery. This technology saves lives and resources. AI drones offer efficiency and safety, transforming tasks. They perform inspections faster and cheaper than traditional methods. Drones take on dangerous jobs, keeping people safe. However, misuse and technical vulnerabilities are concerns. AI errors or hacking could lead to serious issues. Ensuring ethical use is a major challenge. We must invest in robust, secure systems. Balancing benefits with risks is crucial. This technology requires careful oversight and regulation. The future of AI drones depends on responsible use. AI drones raise privacy concerns with their mobility. They can conduct pervasive, hard-to-detect surveillance. Data collection and ownership are critical issues. Strong regulations are needed to prevent abuse. Balancing security and privacy is a societal challenge. We must ensure drones serve humanity without sacrificing privacy. AI drone technology is rapidly advancing. Swarm intelligence allows cooperative drone groups. Future drones will have advanced sensors for new applications. AI will make more nuanced decisions. Drones will become smaller and more efficient. Miniaturization raises stealth surveillance concerns. The future of drones is a human question. We must discuss implications and create thoughtful regulations. Our choices today shape tomorrow's world with intelligent eyes in the sky.